see the Forbes, like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me, but I'm old, yeah.
I don't know. Yo, what is up everyone? My name is Gary and today I want to talk to you about how you can get a literary agent. I talked about this before, but I didn't really go into detail. I kind of went into detail, but it wasn't in a specific video. It was a really long video. So I thought today I would talk about how I got an agent in 6 quick steps. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, have a story that you believe in, something that you think is going to be valuable to the world. You gotta send something that you trust and you can talk about personally, something about you, something that you've experienced. And then you need to bleed out your truth through that story. And after that, send it to someone. Don't just send it right to the agent, send it to a friend, another author, not just your mom or dad. Number 2, research your agents that you would like to work with. You don't want to just work with any agent because sometimes it may not be a good fit. How do you do that? Check out other authors, research agent for blank. Whose agent is blank? And it will pop up. If you follow a lot of people online on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc., they say in their profiles what they do. If you follow Scholastic, go through their pages. If you follow HarperCollins, go through their pages. If you follow Chadwick, go through their pages. And the literary agents are there posting and they are retweeting all the time. Find their emails, write them down, save them. Number 3, what you want to do is research that agent. Check their podcasts, check articles, blog posts, because you never know who they are. You can learn a lot about someone's tweets. Number 4, follow the agent's directions to T. If they want the email sent to them in size 5 font, embedded manuscript with no query letter, do it. You get my point. But they all have specific ways of how they want emails, and if you don't send it this correct way, they probably won't get back to you. Next, Google query letters and really find out what works for you. Ask another author, can you send that query letter to me so I can see it? Obviously don't copy exactly what they said because they're gonna be very different and you're gonna be talking about a different manuscript, so you wanna be very, very clear. Follow the format of how they do it. It's your chance to really sell yourself. That sounded really bad. It's your chance to really explain to them why you want to be an author. Bleed your heart out on the page. But at the same time, be real. Don't be fake. Number 6, don't be scared to fail. Don't be scared to fail. I'll be very honest about my journey. I sent a few out and luckily got response relatively quickly. That doesn't often happen. That doesn't often happen. Send them out, don't be scared to fail. And I know it's like, who are you to say because you got an answer back? But it's true. I think if I didn't get an answer back right away, I think I would have just continued on what I was doing in life and I would have just still waited and sent them out later on. But I failed lots of times. I don't have to explain myself. Don't be scared to fail and just send them out. Send them out, and see what happens. That's it. Hopefully it works out for you. If it doesn't, send me a message and I can hopefully help you. And that's it. I think that was 6 tips. Hopefully I didn't go over. I don't know. All right, later. Peace.